Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on Instagram in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you want to send any voice message or want to make a call on Instagram and facing the issue that microphone is not working. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your iPhone settings and you have to scroll it below. You need to click on privacy and security, and after this you will find here the option of microphone. And guys, here is the option of Instagram. As you can see, it is turned off. Simply you have to turn on it, and after this your problem will be fixed. And guys, the second method is you need to scroll it below. Here is the option of you will find Instagram app. You have to click on your app and you have to click on here is the option of microphone. So guys, if it is turned off, you need to make it on. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.